What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox AI step by step. First, open the Blackbox AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Blackbox AI dashboard. On the left side, you'll find different options such as search, usage, models, and API keys. For this tutorial, we won't need the usage or API key sections because we're going to focus on using Blackbox AI itself. Click Go to Dashboard if you're still on the onboarding page. From the dashboard, you can start interacting with Blackbox AI and enter your requests. For example, you can ask Blackbox AI to create a simple website, explain a piece of code, or help you fix an error. Just describe what you need clearly, and the AI will generate a response based on your requests. If the result isn't exactly what you want, you can continue the conversation and ask Blackbox AI to make changes or improve the code. You can also explore the models section if you want to see the available AI models and choose one for your project. And that's the basic way to get started with Blackbox AI. Sign in, open the dashboard, enter your request, and use the AI to help with your coding task. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.